Good night. My name is Augusto Rondon Roldan. I am 30 years old. I was born in La Dorada Caldas. I am from Colombia. I am living in La Dorada Caldas with my father and mother. My father is called Augusto Rondon. He is a pensioner. My mother is called Alicia Roldan. She is a housewife. I am studying agronomy. I am studying at UNAD University. My favorite food is a pizza. I like to play video games and I don't like to be bored. 5 years ago, I was visiting the ruins of the Chichen Itza. This majestic world is an important and recognized vestige of the civilization, Mayan civilization. It's localized in Yucatan, Mexico, and it is the first time that I visit the beautiful place. This is amazing place, this world. And the trip was from family reason. It's very hot with my family while we try to visit new place. I hope that in 5 years I can travel to a place that I have found incredible. It is called Barbara. This is amazing place. Wow. It is one of the most exotic destinations in the world. It's also incredibly beautiful place. The trip went to the reason of tourism, trying to get to know, visit the new place. Thank you very much. Bye bye.